Today we learn about the topic of phylum Arthropoda. What is the meaning of ortho? Ortho is nothing but that is a joints. Pods means feet. Okay, so the joints are jointed feet, that is called as a Arthropoda. Introduction about the kingdom Animalia of phylum Arthropoda. So this is the largest phylum of kingdom Animalia. Why it is called as the largest phylum of kingdom Animalia, that is phylum Arthropoda? Because it includes total species ranges from 2 to 10 million classes of insects. So phylum Arthropoda is consists the largest phylum of kingdom Animalia. Okay, so this is the phylum Arthropoda. We know the what is the examples of phylum Arthropoda. That is one of the easiest example is a cockroach. Okay, so this is the bilaterally symmetrical segmented, and this is the triploplastic. We know what is the triploplastic: ectoderm, entoderm and mesoderm. So it consists of well developed organ system. Triploplastic animals is that well developed organ systems, and this is consist of zygocoelomates animals. So in this organ systems, that is a grade of body organization. Can you understand? I repeat, phylum Arthropoda is consists the large phylum of kingdom Animalia. Why? So it includes the largest class. It's an insecta. Is consists of total species ranges from 2 to 10 million. Okay, so what is the structure of this phylum Animalia? That is a basis classification. This is bilaterally symmetrical segmented and is a triploplastic zygocoelomate. So the triploplastic is the well developed organ system. Okay, molding process or ecdysis. What is the meaning of molding process or ecdysis? So the phylum Arthropoda, it's having a jointed appendages. So these are the appendages is used for locomotion, feeding, and this is a sensory function. Okay, the body of this phylum Arthropoda, it will be covered by the chitinous exoskeleton. So what is the uses for this chitinous exoskeleton? It will be protection, and is also is prevent the water loss. Okay, so it is a shed of periodically. So this process is called as a molding or ecdysis. What is the correct meaning of this molding? That is the lower regions of this old cuticle, these it will be then digested by the enzymes, and subsequently it can be absorbed. Okay, so this process is called as a molding. What is a molding? So see the picture ma. So this is the underlying the epidermal cells, and in between the new cuticle, and upper, that is the old cuticle. Okay, where it is the position of this old cuticle, that is the lower region of this phylum Arthropoda. Okay, the old cuticle, it can be digested by the enzymes. Okay, the body, it can be producing the enzymes. So these are the enzymes it will be digest to the old cuticle, and it can be easily absorbed. Okay, so this process is called as molding or ecdysis. So these are the molding or ecdysis that will be periodically occur. Okay, so this is a process that will be occur in Arthropoda. On examples, the molding process is occurs in phylum Arthropoda, one word based questions. Okay, or ecdysis is occurring phylum Arthropoda. Note it ma. Phylum Arthropoda, the body is consist of head, thorax and abdomen. Okay, so the body cavity is present. So this is a zoocoelomates. So the body cavity is called as the hemocoel. Already we said that the phylum Arthropoda is a triploplastic. If it is the triploplastic, means it having a well developed organ system. Okay, the first organ system is respiratory organs. What is the respiratory organs? It will be helpful to as a transporting gaseous exchanges. Okay, so how it can be done, this respiratory functions? By gills or book lungs or trachea. So these are the three main parts that will be present in the respiratory organs. Okay, next we study that is the circulatory system. The circulatory system is a open type. What is the meaning of open type? The open type is there is a no differentiation of blood vessels and capillaries. Okay, so that is the open type of circulatory systems. Okay, so it is having a special type of sensory organs. The sensory organs, all insects having a antennae. Okay, so the antennae only it have to identify and location of this prey. அந்த ஆண்டனிங்கிறது மேலே ஒரு கொம்பு மாதிரி இருக்கும்லப்பா. ஸோ அதை வச்சு தான் இது என்ன பண்ணும், அதனுடைய ஃபுட்டு எங்கே இருக்குது, ஸோ எந்த இடத்துல சர்ச் பண்ணி எங்கே போகணும் அப்படிங்கிறத இது வந்து இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் ஆக்டிங் அஸ் த சென்சரி ஆர்கன்ஸ். ஓகே, அண்ட் இஸ் ஆல் இன்செக்ட்ஸ் இஸ் ஹேவிங் ஐஸஸ் இஸ் compound eyes or simple eyes. Okay, so it is having a stratocyst. Cyst means that is a statocyst. So these are the cysts. It's helpful to for organs of balance or equilibrium. Okay, the statocyst also present. What is the role of the statocyst? Organs of balance or equilibrium. If the insects are flying, okay, if it is flying means, so these are organs, it can be balanced and maintain a equilibrium, so it's having a statocyst. Can you understand? So which phylum having the statocyst, ma? That is phylum Arthropoda. Note it, ma. Okay, next is the excretion. So the excretion takes place through the Malpighian tubules, green glands, coxal glands. Note it. What is the name of the glands? That is green glands, coxal glands. That is a Malpighian tubules also present. So it can be done using this glands done by the excretory function. Can you understand? So this is phylum Arthropoda as a dioecious. What is the meaning of dioecious, ma? That is female reproductive system and male. The sexes are separate. Okay, it is always a oviparous. What is a oviparous? Mutta potu alane young ones varada oviparous. Okay, so the fertilization is usually in internal. The development may be a direct or indirect. So the life history is, that is a larval stages. It's followed by metamorphosis. So two types of metamorphosis: complete metamorphosis, incomplete metamorphosis. So these are the two metamorphosis it can be done. That is many larval stages: larva, nymph. So next one the adult and is egg. Okay, so these are the metamorphosis. So this is overall about the phylum Arthropoda. Note it. This is examples. What is a limulus? Limulus is the king crab. So this is the one of the living fossil. And next is Palaemonaceous. So Palaemonaceous, that is a scorpion. Tailun solluvoம்ல. So அதனுடைய scientific இது என்னன்னா Palaemonaceous. And next is hermit crab. So this is the Eupagerus. Eupagerus. And is also the honeybee. Honeybee is Apis, and housefly is the musca. And next vectors. What are the vectors? Anopheles mosquito, Culeus mosquito, Aedes mosquitoes. Okay, so these are the vectors. What is the vectors, ma? That is a carrying the foreign particles or any particles, and it will be separating. That is a carrying vehicle, that is called as a vectors. Okay, so these are the examples of phylum Arthropoda. Some of the Arthropoda that will be used in economically important. What are the economic important arthropods? Note it, ma. This is one of the important 2-mark question. That is Apis. Apis is a honeybee. And Bombyx mori. So that is silkworm. Next is Laccifer, lac insects. So listen, the Apis, Bombyx and Laccifer, these are the important. We studied the economically important part in last lessons in +1. செகண்ட் வால்யூமில் லாஸ்ட் லெசனில் இதை பற்றி டீட்டெயில்டாக அவனுடைய லைஃப் செக்சரோட படிப்போம். ஓகேவா? லாக்சிஃபர், தட் இஸ் த லாக் இன்செக்ட்ஸ். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் லிவிங் ஃபாசில்ஸ் லிமுலஸ், தட் இஸ் த கிங் கிராப். And next is gregarious pest, that is a locusta. So these are the economically important insects. Note it, ma. This is, do you know part, that is a spider silk. ஸோ நம்ம ஸ்பைடர் சில்க்னா செலந்தி வலைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நிறைய பார்த்துருப்போம், சரிங்களா? ஸோ அதோடைய அந்த ஸ்பைடர் சில்கோடைய இது வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா, தட் இஸ் ஸ்டீலை காட்டிலும் 5 டைம்ஸ் வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங்கராக இருக்கும். இஸ் அ மேன்மேடு டஃபஸ்ட் மேன்மேட் பாலிமர் என்ன அப்படின்னா கெவ்லர். ஸோ அதை காட்டிலும் இது எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா the spider silk உடைய இது வந்து வெரி ஸ்ட்ராங்கராக இருக்கும். ஸ்ட்ராங்கர் as a Kevlar. The Kevlar is the toughest man-made polymer. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஸ்பைடர் சில்கோடைய அந்த இது வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா that is 5 times stronger than the steel of the same diameter. The bowing of the spider silk, it can be stopped a flight. So by a single pencil with strand that is equal is strength. The spider silk, it's having a 5 times stronger, so it's a look like a steel is 5 times stronger than the steel, and it can be easily stopped a flight by a single pencil with strand. Okay, so and as a toughest man-made polymer compare than Kevlar, it is also is a strongest spider silk. Okay, this is small recap about the phylum Arthropoda, that is the largest phylum of kingdom Animalia. Why? It consists of largest class insects. Insects consist, that is 2 to 10 million species. Okay, and next this having all Arthropoda, that is a jointed appendages. It's for locomotion and is feeding and sensory in functions. Okay, it's mainly done the process of molding. What is the meaning of molding? That is a old cuticle is digested and is easily absorbed. So this process is called as a molding. And next is well developed organ system. The body is consist of head, thorax and abdomen. Okay, thank you.